in the backyard, nothing much to do but stare at the fence. Fences all around. My master comes home after goodness knows what, and all she can say is, "Sit, doggie, sit. Oh, that's a good boy. I've had a hard day at the office, and my head is sore. What have you been up to? Blah, blah, blah." I take one look at her and say, "How about a walk?" Sitting outside, catching flies. What else can I do when I can't get out? You filled in all the holes, the ones I dug, to get out to see my girlfriend down the road. And all she can say is, "Sit, doggie, sit. Oh, that's a good boy. I've had a hard day at the office, and my head is sore. What have you been up to? Blah, blah, blah." I take one look at her and say, "How about a walk?" I was cleaning myself most of the day, and I saw some little black things jumping up and down. I went chomp and then I scratched myself. That'll put an end to the things they call fleas. And all she can say is, "Sit, doggie, sit. Oh, that's a good boy. I've had a hard day at the office, and my head is sore. What have you been up to? Blah, blah, blah." I take one look at her and say, "How about a walk?" I sat at the gate all today, barking at whoever dared go past. I saw my girlfriend coming with some little doggies too. They looked just like me, and she said, "Daddy, aren't you proud?" And all she can say is, "Sit, doggie, sit. Oh, that's a good boy. I've had a hard day at the office, and my head is sore. What have you been up to? Blah, blah, blah." I take one look at her and say, "How about a walkie?" "Okay, boy, come on then. We'll go for a walkies."